Hi IC students, we're so excited to see you on campus soon. But first, let's go over some simple registration information and how to navigate our system. First, we'll go over how to access Homework Connect, and using apps.ithaca.edu is a very simple way to do that, and you can find other applications on that website as well. So once you're on the apps page, make sure to select Homework Student Login. And once you input all of your login information, you'll get to the Homework Connect student profile page. So on your student profile, after clicking registration and planning, you'll be taken to this page called registration notices. And as you can see, there are 5 categories to choose from, but today we'll be focusing on view registration information. So once you get to this page, it's really important for you to select the specific term that you are looking for. So this person was focused on fall 2023. Next, you'll see all your registered courses and their corresponding information displayed in rows. While browsing, you'll probably wonder what schedule type means. This information will become more clear when you receive your syllabi for your courses. If you're interested in finding out more specific information about one of your courses, you can simply click the underlined title on the left. By doing this, you'll be shown a lot of information that might be helpful to you while you're registering, because it can show you a little bit about what the course is about, when it meets, its restrictions, its prerequisites, and etc. So after exiting the class details, another really helpful tool is schedule details. On the bottom half of the page, you'll also notice that there are arrows. By using the arrows, you can either expand or diminish the amount of information that you're seeing on the page. So as you'll notice, there are also arrows for each of the courses that you are taking. And if you expand them, more information will show up. So using this student schedule as an example, we can see that, for instance, their Elementary Spanish 1 begins on August 23rd and ends on December 15th. We can also see the times that this class meets. This section 1 will meet on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. As we can see, the student also has another Elementary Spanish on their class schedule. It is important to note that there is a section difference and the meeting times are different as well. Another factor to be aware of when looking at these different sections is where they are meeting. So one is meeting in Friends Hall room 201 and one's meeting in Friends Hall room 208. This mathematics course is another quick example of different meeting times. Although it's one section, it meets in different rooms on different scheduled days. The Intro to Gardening and Permaculture class might look similar to one of your registered courses. Unlike most of the other courses presented in this schedule, it is a half-semester class, meaning it begins on August 23rd and ends on October 16th. After scrolling through your schedule details, you have the option to press Schedule, and then once you scroll down a little bit, you'll be presented with your schedule through a color-coordinated calendar-like format. Here you also have the option to select the course, and then you'll be presented with a lot of information specifically about that course. After looking through your schedule, you have the option to press the collapse button, and then you'll be sent back to the original view of the registration information. While browsing, you might also notice the Active Registration tab near Look Up a Schedule. Active registration is just another way of visualizing your active courses. After looking through active registration, you'll probably notice on the right side of the page 2 different icons, one that looks like an email and one that looks like a printer. With the email one, you can input your email or anybody else's email, and it will send you a calendar downloadable file to that specific email that you inputted. And the print icon allows you to save the schedule as a PDF or print it as well. And just another pro tip from our office, you can definitely use the toggle option where you can scroll between both screens and look at your schedule and look at the information in the rows as we looked at previously. And that is it for this video. We really hope that it was helpful, and if you have any other questions, please do not hesitate to ask. Our office is here to help, and we look forward to having you on campus soon.